Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's story is about a rich man. Once upon a time there was a very rich man who pleased his mentor, and the mentor gave him a genie and told him that this genie will do all your jobs very quickly, but you should never let it go free, otherwise it will eat you. The rich man was very happy because he had a big business and now this genie will be very useful to him. From the very next day, the rich man started giving work to the genie, and the genie used to finish every work immediately and would be free. As soon as the genie was free, the rich man started fearing that the genie would eat him. Within a few days, the rich man got fed up with that genie and he went back to his mentor and asked him how to keep this genie busy in the work. The mentor arranged for a bamboo and told the genie to keep going up and down on that bamboo, and in between he called him when needed. With this trick, the rich man's work was started getting done and the genie's trouble also reduced. Moral of the story is idle brain is devil's workshop. Our mind is like a genie, and if it is sitting idle, then its negative thoughts will kill us. Hence, keep it always busy. If nothing works, then keep connecting yourself to the higher frequency, God, and you will feel that within a few days you will start vibrating at His frequency. Another moral of the story is role of mentors in our life. Mentors, they always guide us to the right way. Thank you so much. If you like my video, you can like it, you can share with all your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.